This video highlights available accessibility tools you may find useful to use during this course or future online activities. We will show you how your device can read text out loud from any website and how to enable video captions. This example uses the Microsoft Edge browser, and we are using a sample page from one of our online courses. Similar functions will be available in Chrome and other browsers. You may already have the A icon at the top right of your browser, indicating that Read Aloud is available. If not, we will show you how to add it. If it's already there, just click it, and your browser will start reading the page. You can then click any text on the page to indicate what section you would like to be read aloud. When using this tool, a menu will appear at the top of the page. This gives you additional options to configure it according to your preferences. If you do not already have the Read Aloud icon available, you can add this by going to the menu via the three dots at the top right of the browser, scrolling down to More Tools, and selecting Read Aloud. The icon will now appear in your browser. Some of our content is video-based. All of our videos include captions, which you can turn on by hovering over the bottom of the video and selecting the icon. You can also slow down the speed of the video and change your caption settings if required. We hope you find these suggestions useful. If you require adjustments or additional support, please get in touch with us.